And in this video, I'm just going to complete the previous one, and then start working on the other the close ticket functionality. So I think I'm supposed to add the status here. So also ticket status also. So now let's see first. It's supposed to come up here. I think it's still reloading. Something is wrong. Okay, don't think anything is wrong. Okay, it's loading. Okay, all right, so the status comes up there. All right, so now the next thing, I'm going to add a description. I'm going to add an h arrow here, and then add an dot ticket description. So here I'm going to add an h3 description of issue. So on a paragraph now I can add sorry, in a paragraph we're gonna have tickets dot description desk this okay dsc description. Okay, now I think it's cool now. So now I could come back and then view MacBook Pro and then see its description. Very slow system, and that's how I can fetch details for any other application as well. So it's pretty much the same thing. I think that's all for that. Now sometimes when you add dispatch as a dependency, it gives you an ever ending loop, and sometimes when you remove it, it complains. Okay, for you. So let's see. So if you have that error there, which is not really an error, so if you don't want to do it that way, you could add a comment here on, just simply say ESLinks disable next line. Okay, that's gonna take care of that for you. Okay, so all right, so that's just all. You see it's no longer having that error again. Okay, the next thing now, we're going to work on the close ticket functionality now. So we want to be able to update the status when we close the ticket. So we're just going to send a put request now to a particular endpoint now. So let's start from our slice or ticket slice now. So we're just going to copy this gets user tickets. Let's see. So we're going to use this gets tickets. So I'm just going to copy this one here and then change this now to close tickets, and this is going to be, instead of get tickets, it's going to be close tickets, and same thing is going to happen in our service close tickets. Let's see what else. Every other thing remains the same here. So this is going to be tickets / close, so it's going to take the ticket ID. Okay, so in our service, where's our service? We're just going to duplicate this gets ticket also and change it to close close tickets as well. Close tickets. Okay, so it's gonna get the ID and everything. Okay, this one's gonna be a put request, and then everything's gonna be the same, but the second argument is going to be an object at the comma here. So here now I'm going to just change the status. I'm going to send a status with a string of close or closed. So we don't want to be able to change the products or the description or anything like that. We just want to change it, the status to just close, and that's all we just want to do here. Just something simple here. And we're just gonna export this one also here, down here. Close tickets. We need to add those cases also in our slice. I think when we close tickets, let's go back there. When we close tickets, there shouldn't be any pending and fulfilled. We just need just one case, and that's a rejected case now. So no, not really the rejected, fulfilled. Okay, so we only need the fulfilled um, part of it. So if the when this gets fulfilled successfully, so we just want to do just something. We have is loading is gonna be false, and then we have this state dot um, tickets tickets, which we are going to map through and set the correct the status of the correct one based on the ID. Okay, so that's just what we want to do once this, sorry, not get ticket, once this close tickets action is fulfilled successfully. So ticket dot map, so this is going to take tickets. I'm going to say tickets. So let's see, I'm going to say if tickets dot underscore id, if it's equal to action dot payload dot id dot underscore id, if that's the case, then tickets dot status should be equal to closed, else we just want to return tickets. Next, we'll go back to our tickets.gss, and then we're going to bring in use navigates from React Router DOM, and then we're going to bring in the close tickets from our slice. Close tickets from our slice. I'm seeing an error here. I'm especially use status in ticket slice at 140. So let's go over there and see what's there. Oh, sorry, this should be states.ticket, not status. States.tickets. Okay, so go back now and continue. Now I'm going to initialize our navigates const navigates equal to use navigates. So go down to the bottom and our GSS area. So the bottom of this our ticket header. Actually, we're gonna use header for this. Okay, so at the bottom here, we want to check to see if the ticket is not closed, because we just only want to show this ticket only if only this, we want to show this button only if it's not closed. So I'm gonna say ticket dot status. So if it's already closed, we don't want to show the button. If it's not equal to closed, then we want to show a button. So just going to button.btn. We'll have some other classes for the button. btn block, btn danger for red button. I'm just going to call this close or close tickets. We're going to add an event handler and on click event handler, which we're going to call on tickets close, which we're going to create now. So I'm going to take this now, just here, just going to say close tickets, const this is going to take actually it's not going to take anything. We just want to dispatch our close tickets, which is going to take the tickets ID, which we already have. Okay, then one of toasts dot success. Here we're going to say tickets closed, and then one of navigates. I think we already initialized that, navigates to slash tickets. So let's go ahead and then check this now. Let's see this first one, or let's see the second one here. So we have this closed ticket here. So if I click on it now, you see ticket closed, and you see it now changed here to closed. Okay, so let's close this guy also. I close it now, you see change it to close also. All right, so that's pretty cool. Now if I didn't do let's see, if I didn't add that thing in the case, let's go back to our slice. If I didn't do all of this in the case, now what will happen is that it will navigate, but here will still be green, okay, until when you reload, okay, before it's going to reflect. Okay, so that is why I did it this way, so that once it's fulfilled, it should just do all of this thing and get it from the state and updates the DOM immediately, because when you reload, it's going to get the status afresh from the server, but I don't want all of that now, so that's why I did all of this now inside the fulfilled of the closed ticket. So you don't need to reload for it to show that it's closed. Okay, I think that's pretty much all for this one. So just ensure yours is also working just as mine. Okay, so right, we're going to continue with the notes functionality in the next class. All right, thank you, see you in the next class. Bye.